Hola hola! In this beautiful video, I'm going to show you how to open any web browser using Python. So for my case, I'll just only write 3 lines of command. So I will start by import web browser, because you are opening a certain browser, because this is like a built-in function. Then I'll assign like a web browser, for instance, w is equal to web browser. I'm assigning it a variable browser dot, I want it to open, because I mentioned earlier I want to show you how to open, then brackets. Then I'll put the string. So I'll copy that particular browser which I want to open by pasting it, then enter, then print. Now I'm printing w, which is the assigned variable. So that means by pressing run, I'm done with opening any web browser. So you can keep any web browser. It can be a YouTube channel, it can be a Google, it can be a ChatGPT. So for my case, I'm clicking on this particular YouTube channel and see how the wonders. Voila! Yes, it's a
Welcome back,
YouTube
guys.
channel.
My name is
Actually,
Arnold.
the good thing is my YouTube channel. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't. So I'll be dropping more videos on how to do this. So this is the video of how to actually importing web browser using Python, and actually it gives you true. That means the command, the three lines of command have passed. So thank you. Make sure to subscribe for more videos like this.